Today, we're peeling back the layers to reveal a lesser-known aspect of fennel seeds, one that might prompt you to reconsider their role in your diet. From unexpected hormonal imbalances to surprising allergic reactions, the side effects of these tiny seeds extend well beyond their digestive aid. Join us as we delve into the 5 serious side effects of fennel seeds that are crucial for everyone to understand before incorporating them into their diet. And remember, many of these effects can be linked to consuming them in quantities greater than recommended. To help guide you, I'll also share the advised dosage to keep these side effects at bay. Prepare to be enlightened by what we've uncovered. Hormonal imbalance. Did you know that fennel seeds can mess with your hormones? Yeah, it sounds strange, but hear me out. Fennel seeds contain compounds that mimic estrogen, the female sex hormone. So, for some people, especially if they consume a lot of them, it can lead to some unexpected changes. I heard this story about a guy who started drinking fennel tea daily. He thought it would help with digestion, but after a while, he noticed some changes in his body that seemed like a hormonal imbalance. Turns out, the fennel tea was the culprit. It's kind of crazy when you think about it. Something as simple as a spice can have that effect. Allergic reactions. Fennel seeds can surprisingly trigger serious allergic reactions in some individuals. For example, a woman unknowingly allergic to fennel experienced hives and swelling after eating it in her soup. This incident highlights the need for caution when introducing new ingredients to your diet, as even common spices can cause unexpected reactions. Interactions with medications. This is crucial for anyone taking medication. Fennel seeds can interact with certain drugs. They're kind of like that one friend who doesn't get along with everyone. For instance, fennel can reduce the effectiveness of antibiotics and some other medications. I remember reading about a study where they found that fennel seeds could alter the way your body processes medication. It's like you think you're doing something good for your health, and suddenly it's complicating things. Fennel seeds during pregnancy can be risky. They contain compounds that mimic estrogen, potentially affecting hormone levels and stimulating the uterus. This could lead to contractions or premature labor. Despite their digestive benefits, the potential risks to pregnant women are significant. Health professionals often advise against consuming fennel seeds in large quantities or as supplements during pregnancy. It's a reminder that natural remedies can be unsafe in certain conditions, emphasizing the need for expecting mothers to consult healthcare providers before adding new foods or herbs like fennel seeds to their diet. Digestive discomfort. You might think fennel seeds are all about improving digestion, right? Well, it's not always the case. In some people, especially if they go overboard, fennel seeds can actually cause the opposite, like bloating, gas, and even cramps. I remember reading about this guy who thought he'd solve his digestion issues with fennel tea. Turns out, he ended up feeling more bloated than ever. It's kind of ironic, a remedy becoming the problem. That's a reminder to always keep balance in mind with natural remedies. What are the nutritional components of fennel, and what is the recommended daily intake? Fennel is nutritious, offering vitamin C, fiber, potassium, and other minerals like calcium and magnesium. The seeds also contain beneficial oils and flavor compounds. While there's no specific recommended daily intake for fennel, a typical serving is about a half cup of the bowl or 1 to 2 teaspoons of seeds. When trying fennel seeds for the first time, start with a small amount, much like being cautious when first learning to ice skate. Pay attention to your body's reaction, as individual responses vary. If you experience any adverse effects, avoid fennel seeds and seek medical advice, especially if you're on medication or have pre-existing health conditions.